Highgate, St. Mary. From Jamaica to the whole world. Creed seafood and grill. Everybody raise your hand.
Anything Creed say, socially be. Wind up your body, come eat with we. Loving at the kitchen, joy on every street.
Creed seafood and grill.
A paradise feed. Anything Creed say, socially be. From Highgate town to every country. Long life, good health, blessings run free.
Creed seafood and grill.
One big family.
Vivian Creed are the captain, steering every mission. Poppa Loo they beside him. Full of wisdom and vision. Every chef move sharp, every cook move clean. Fast learners in the kitchen, serving like a dream. Time and patience, every recipe bless. Every single customer get nothing but the best. From the first hello till the last goodbye, everybody live smiling, spirit touching the sky. Wave the flag, beat the drum. I tell you whole world, come join the fun. Anything Creed say, socially be. Wind up your body, come eat with the we. Living at the kitchen, drive on every street. Creed seafood and grill, a paradise feed. Pick it amba, pick it amba, pick it amba, damma damma. Pick it amba, pick it amba, pick it amba. Go! Cream curry shrimp, make your heart start sing. Steam sea fish, fit for any king. Escovitch fish with the pepper so nice. Jasmine rice, everything precise. Creek style fried chicken, golden and sweet. Festival warm, everybody a repeat. Saltfish fritter, and soup, fish tea bubbling. Straight from the pot, fried ripe plantain, green plantain, 2 steamed vegetables. Fresh for you, curry goat with the Creed passion. Every single bite a celebration. Highgate today, tomorrow New York, London calling, Toronto Spa, Africa waiting, Dubai too. Creed seafood and grill, coming straight for you. One restaurant, then 10, then more. Every nation opening door. Good food unite, every race and creed. Love is the recipe, that's all we need. Anything Creed say, socially be. Healthy body, healthy family. Protected people, living happily. Creed seafood and grill, food with dignity. Anything Creed say, socially be. From St. Mary across every sea. Live long,